What is going on? Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. How's it going? I mean, are you guys feeling that tryptophan? I hope you got some coffee because Bitcoin has just put in some new highs. Bitcoin is going to, I don't even know how many, is that billion, trillion, 2 million? Very thankful for you guys. Happy belated Thanksgiving. What's going on, guys? Army Piper in the chat. We're going to be shilling the Army Piper live stream for Monday morning. Whoop, 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 whoop. So we're going on Piper's show on Monday. Looking forward to that. How's Texas, Piper? Hope you had a safe and fun Thanksgiving. Jonathan Schaefer, the man in the chair, the man, the myth, the legend, always here. He thinks I'm crazy for dropping a short. However, he is correct. He is correct. The TA said so, okay? The TA said so. Can we hold? Can we continue higher? Are we going to get the turkey pipe? Let's find out. This has been an interesting way of events. Now, Piper, I got a question for you. Now, I'm liking this chart prime stuff, man. I've got it all set up, man. I got it like all these like little configurations, man. I'm gonna have to have a one-on-one with you and I've done some back testing and I'm liking it. However, I know you got secrets, man. I know you got some secrets, so you're going to have to share some alpha with me. You're going to have to share the alpha with me. But I got a whole new rig here, and I'm liking it, man. I'm liking it. I was hanging out with OC yesterday. It was great live. That was pretty cool. So, yeah. No, I'm very grateful for every single one of you guys. Darren does things. What's going on, man? What's going on? DDT in the house, dropping the DDTs. And we just made new highs. Wow. Exciting. That is amazing, man. That is amazing. Well, you can see we got some sort of ascending triangle here forming. Ooh, how do you want to draw this? Do you want to draw just pretty things on the chart? We can see it's coming up here. Are we going to curl up? And are we going to pop through? We've had a new high, so that's pretty interesting. You can see we're cooling off a little bit here. I was like, come on, guys, short this thing this morning, and they thought I was crazy. However, we are cooling off right now, and as an intraday trader, I mean, I see opportunities like this to jump in and out and grab a trade. However, the momentum to the upside is absolutely astronomical right now. That money flow, that 6-hour trigger wave. My God, look at this thing. Pop goes the price action. We got some news as well going on. So we need to be very careful. What's going on? Jeet Corp in the house. The man, the myth, the legend, moving to Mexico. However, he's our number one picker, the Apple man. Much love to you, Jeet Corp. Hope you're having a wonderful day, my friend. Hope you had a good Thanksgiving, even though I believe you're Canadian like I am. So we had to rep the red and white today. So it's pretty awesome. So are we going inverse Kramer? Are we going inverse Kramer today? Jim Cramer urges viewers to just buy Bitcoin. Now we know that this is just them pulling our chains over here. If you like Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin. That's always been my view, and for a while I liked it. I think too. What do we say here? Schaefer that he says just buy Bitcoin, don't buy Bitcoin companies or something like that. So, you know that inverse Kramer, Control Alt I Kramer. Is that what we're doing here? Alt I Kramer, and flip those upside down. However, if you're like me I like to short, so this is comfortable for me. But if you like to long, you can inverse this and long it this way. So, inverse Kramer, very interesting to see. You know, I take it with a grain of salt, man. I take it with a grain of salt. I mean, there's so much going on right now. Binance, all that stuff. You know, even Charles has an opinion on Binance, okay? So it doesn't end with just us and everybody else. An end of an era, right? And it is, you know. CZ, I think he fell on his sword for the industry. However, he wasn't brought down by SBF, which is cool. And at the end of the day, he opened up markets that allowed enemies of America to basically trade and do things. Interesting to see. So I thought that was an interesting article on Hoskin predicts higher regulatory scrutiny in the crypto industry, which is, you know, we talk about this quite often at this channel, is how we want just to change this dynamic of this industry, of how we want people to be able to feel free, to feel safe, to feel like they can invest in freedom, in Bitcoin, and all these things. Yet we have these players that are just, you know, poison in the well. Ada's gotten a decent pump. Ooh. Yeah, Ada's flying. So we just want transparency, honesty, kindness. You know, it's very interesting, right? CZ is a chess player. He ain't going anywhere. Yeah, that's the one. What's going on, Pollo? Good to see you, my man. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving, man. So many people, you know, givers gain. Like, oh, we had LBC go live in my slot yesterday because that was the only time he was able to stream, which was awesome. He made like this hilarious intro video with my head. It was like ridiculous. It was the turkey song, the bond 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 ba-dum ba-dum bam ba-dum ba-dum, that one. With my open mouth cutout head flashing on the screen. It was absolute, like, I was dying laughing. My God. But, you know, it's a reminder to each and every one of us. You know, we have great community here, right? It's so important to be a part of great community. I think if we can just lead the way of changing the narrative of this industry. You know, all my grandmother and my mother here is crypto is bad, right? That's it, right? And in Canada, we have a Bitcoin ETF, right? We have a Bitcoin ETF and an Ethereum one, right? So, you know what? We got to change that narrative, right? Because if we want more adoption, we want price to go up, we want more freedom, more control of our being our own bank, we're going to have to create better community, right? So let's try and lead the way with that. Alex O Crypto, hey, when you get into alts, look up the cup and handle on XRP on the 1 and 2 day. Okay, we'd be doing that. We have XRP over here, so we'll prioritize XRP for you, my friend. No problem. So let's look at what's going on here. Hi, Alex. Hope you're all well, guys. What's going on, Wayne C? Hope you had a lot of sandwiches on Thanksgiving, my friend. Lots of sandwiches. It's very important. Sandwiches are important. Alpha sandwiches, okay? So we're curling up here. We're looking for this to pop off. However, remember, half day today in the stock market, and then weekend volume, okay? So I expect a little bit of a cool off here. Then weekend volume. Then maybe Sunday move. What do you guys think? Sunday move? Put a one in the chat if you think Sunday move again. Hola, French toaster in the house. What's going on? The best toast in the world. That's the one, man. That's the one. Yeah, so you can go over. We can go over here and we can look at where's the investing part? Sorry. Yeah, and here's Canada's ETF. It's actually quite weird. To be fair, Purpose Bitcoin Yield ETF, and it's like very chop a block, and it's at like $4, so it's like really weird, but it does follow the Bitcoin price. You can see. Here's Canada's ETF, guys. So cool, isn't it? Look, there's an ETF. Get off my charts, right? Just buy regular Bitcoin. I think the fees are absolutely ridiculous. I'd have to look up the fees for this thing, but I think just to manage this, it's absolutely bonkers. It's bonkers, right? But however, I ain't saving that. However, it is safe for the regular investors, right? Goals of Givers Gain is to educate new people into crypto without getting scammed. Absolutely, man. That's so massive, right? Watch out for volume spikes because contracts expired today. Yes, the volume should be for Rizzle today. For Rizzle, off the chain, right? Protect yourself. Use stop losses, but make sure to protect yourself, right? That's why we use good risk management in this community. Risk management is the only way to being profitable. Managing emotions, mindset, TA is about 10% of it. However, managing yourself, holding yourself accountable, following your rules is what's important in this game. If I've learned anything, it's about being disciplined, knowing when I'm wrong, and getting out. So we're going to do a little top-down analysis on Bitcoin. We'll get into it. Now, we just wanted to address that pump overnight. Now, what are we looking for this morning? Now, I was looking for the short up top here. However, I did not take it because of the wise words of my friends here saying, Darren says, you mad. And I was like, okay, I'll accept your financial advice. And I didn't short it. Okay? I didn't short it. I have been buying Hut 8, so I support Canada in a way. Thank you. Oh, man. Hey, man, you're supporting me. I appreciate it, Crypto Pollo. Much love. Cluck, cluck, my man. Cluck, cluck. I appreciate you, brother. So I wanted to short up here. We didn't take the short. I took DDT's financial advice. Just looking at some things here. We are looking for volatility. We have made a break of structure up top here. Okay, so just watching this right now in the short-term time frames, we have come up. We've wicked up twice. So the initial wick and then the big wick. And now we've broken structure to the downside, making a lower low here. So we're looking to see if we can get a retrace, possibly down into this area. I believe there's a fair value gap here. Now, with my new indicators, we can have a little bit of liquidity grab slash order blocks slash fair value gaps where we can look to fill them. I am liking these new indicators. However, we just want to add confidence to trade. If I put all of this on the chart right now, where are we going to go? Okay, my friends, where are we going to go? So for us, it's about building an idea, building confluence. This is not going to help us, okay? This is not going to help us, okay? However, being organized, adding confluence to the structure, knowing what is what, can help us be profitable, okay? So that's why we organize this. And we're getting it all set up for you guys so we can bring you the most alpha for these trades and the best confluences in order to help us be profitable. And that's what it's all about right here. The best one to learn, in my opinion, is volume. Okay? Is volume. So you can see we're coming down here. We're looking for a long. We would like it to come down here. We would like it to come back here, down around this area. I'm looking for a continuation. However, I am sitting on my hands right now until I really get into the short-term comments. Alex, crypto, that shows me we're going 200K tomorrow. Jonathan Schaefer with the alpha. He's got that crystal ball, baby. He's got that crystal ball. He's looking at it. It's telling him we're going to $100,000, baby. Let's go. I'm excited this morning, man. I had a great day yesterday. You know what? Let's do the top-down analysis, man. You guys are amazing. Chart Prime is a buffet. You don't put everything on your plate. You can pick and choose a solid meal of what you want. That's the one. That's the one. I've organized this to a point where I'm pretty happy with it. I'm still having to play Piper. I'm still having to play trying to find my way, and it's great because you can personalize it to what you're looking for. So, top-down analysis, like per usual, market cipher B. Looking at this here, money flow up to the moon. Okay, we're looking at the 6-hour trigger wave popping off. Okay, so what about this weekly? Okay, let's look at this weekly. Let's get rid of a whole bunch of this stuff here. What are we looking here on the weekly? How's this candle looking? Now that we've moved up, this looks a little bit more bullish, in my opinion. We're failing to get lower. Get low, get low, get low. You can see just massive wicks to the downside. And you can see that we are starting to see a little bit of a topping area here on the weekly. Now, we do have confirmed red dots on the previous days. So we can see that we do have red dots here where we're looking to cool off from a bearish divergence. This is very, very, very clear on all the high-term time frames. Okay, this bearish divergence. Oh, we're coming down. Where do we think we can come down? Well, my initial stops are 31.8, 32.8, 32.8, and then this beautiful little gap around 34,000. Okay, and that matches up with my with the CME futures. Okay, with the CME futures. If we do drop, this is where I'm looking to get filled. This gap down below us here. However, this looks like it's a crazy train and it's going to the absolute moon right now. So we don't want to fight the trend too much. However, we would like to see a cool down, come back, grab some of this liquidity down here, and send it to the moon yet again, okay? Yet again. So we are looking for a little bit of correction. However, right now, don't fight the trend. It's up and to the right, okay? Up and to the right. No 100K tomorrow, Schaefer. Please need to join the trade. Oh, man. What's going on, Apprentice? Hope you're having a good day, man. Hope you're having a good day. I believe you're at the end of your day in your time zone. Armory Piper says 6 free live classes per week, bro. See? I'm trying to get educated, man, so I can bring the goods, all the goods to the Otter Gang Alexo crypto community, because we got to make sure that we're bringing them the goods, you know what I mean? So we're going to the 2-day here, and we can see that we're very much overbought, coming down. Can we come down anymore? Can we come down anymore? The trend is your friend until it's not. David dropping facts, man. Dropping facts. Just woke up from a food coma. What did I miss? I shouted you out, Lunar Beaches Crypto, this morning. I shouted you out. The potatoes, the potatoes, the potatoes. That song you played yesterday was my head screaming, man. You are a gem, bro. You are a gem. You are a gem. I don't think I have the sound, but this is what Lunar Beaches Crypto did to me yesterday. You know? Oh, man. Oh, man. What's going on, Lunar Beaches Crypto? My God. Oh, man. I was dying laughing. Good morning, Lunar Beaches Crypto. Much love to you, my man. Much love to you. Oh, I know you guys can't hear it. I know you guys can't hear it. I don't know how to add sound to it, man. I don't know how to add sound to it. Oh, man. Too much fun. Too much fun we had. Beaner, potatoes, potatoes. Bro, I need to help you set up your scenes in Streamlabs. Schaefer, I've been waiting for this forever, man. Like, please, please, please. I don't know. Like, do I need headphones for it so that you guys can hear it? Like, come on. I'm a carpenter, man. I press buy and sell. I analyze the charts. I practice good risk management, and I make bank from trading. That's why I'm here. I'm here to share what I know. I don't know Streamlabs. So, oh, man. My wife said he is super effing happy. What's wrong with him? Oh, man, we're always happy here, man. I mean, I'm so grateful, man. I'm so grateful. Another kick of the can today. Woke up smiling. Mrs. Otter right beside me, snoring away with the open mouth emoji. And, grateful, I got my health. Health is wealth. I got a community of like-minded people who all want to get somewhat rich yet help other people. It's an amazing life, I'm Canadian and I'm not working construction this winter. I can build a house, but I don't have to in minus 30 degrees, okay? So there's a lot of opportunities to be grateful today. Just got to have that perspective, baby, so you can see these lower lows and these higher highs coming in. All right, we're looking for Bitcoin to continue its rip to the upside. However, this money flow is absolutely disgusting. Looking to fly off the handles here, okay? Flying off the handles all the way at 46. This is filth, okay? So lots of momentum. However, it's Friday and it's a half day and it's going into the weekend. So volume is going to crumble, okay? Volumes is going to crumble. We need to be aware of these things. And we also are aware that going into this weekend, everybody's on that beautiful turkey diet. So they're all cooling off as well, right? And there's going to be some volatility today. However, how do we prepare? We prepare by being informed, by being here, by sharing all our ideas with the community. So we're looking for this to cool off. Right now, we're getting everybody bullish. So what has this market really been doing to us? Okay, as traders, we like ranges, right, where we can short and long, right? However, right now, the market will do this, get everybody excited, right? And then bang, dump it on their ass and grab all the liquidations, right? So like it has right now, and it's been very choppy in a sense because I'm trading it. So if I'm feeling it, you guys are definitely feeling it too, right? Where we're getting the pumps and then the dumps and then the sideways and then the euphoria of the pump and then the dump, right? So as a trader, what I've learned from this simple area, because you can see, look at these wicks, guys. Look at these wicks, right? We don't normally get this on Bitcoin. Not as extreme anyways. So we can get the big moves. However, we don't necessarily get the big liquidation grab after, right? If you look at the liquidations throughout this week, it's been absolutely violent, right? It's been so violent. Like, look at this thing here, right? Price really didn't move, but it went up and down a total of 3% within 4 hours, right? So that's wild, right? That's wild. So we need to protect ourselves, right? Because look, it's gotten everybody and their brothers now absolutely bullish, right? And what do you expect to happen after looking at this? Do you expect it to dump it on our ass, right? And that's what I wanted to share, is that, like, managing your emotions, managing your mindset, having a plan, executing that plan. As a trader, I come in here, I extract the profits, and I get out. Some of you are in nice long swing positions. I think Schaefer's in one. I think he shared it this morning. Doing great, man. That's great. Like, practicing good risk management, up 190%. I mean, great work. Great work. For me, I've been in and out of trades, like quick, right? Like last night, quick trade. Day before that, quick trade. Day before that, quick trade. So you can see here, even on my trading here, last night, $99, right? $100, right? $50, $100. Like, I'm in and out quick, pay myself. $100, $100, $100, $100, right? I'm getting in and out of these trades really quickly so that I can breathe. You know what I mean? I'm at it by doing these quick trades, these quick scalps. I'm able to manage my emotions. I'm not getting wicked out. I'm able to trade with confidence and make my profits and run, right? Make my profits and run. And for me, it's been working because I adjusted to the market conditions, okay? So be aware of what's going on in the market, right? With this choppy stuff, trying to grab people. Everybody wants to long right now. Everybody wants to long, right? Everybody's wishing they got in here. However, you get the pump and then the dump. Knocked out, right? So know your condition, pay yourself early, and practice good risk management. And that's all we can expect, right? As traders, up or down, it doesn't really matter. We just want to catch the move and pay ourselves and have a plan going into these markets so that we can be profitable, right? So we can be profitable. And adjusting to the conditions, right? Adjusting to the conditions where we can dip, dodge, move, and grab that money, right? And grab that money. Because if you're an investor, okay, we want to grab those lower prices. And I've made tons of videos on where we think price can trickle down to in order to DCA and set limit order buys in order to grab. I know Army Piper has done this too. He had a great setup, I believe, on, what the heck's that coin? But you got to look for the pullbacks if you're an investor for you can dollar cost average into these assets. However, as a trader, have a plan, have risk management, grab that profit, put it in the bank, man. Put it in the bank, right? In and out. Doesn't matter what price does after the trade. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Of course, you're like, I could have held that and gone to whatever. Okay, that's great. That's a good assessment of after the fact. However, in the market that we're in right now, I think it's most important to be in and out on Caspa. That was the pullback, Caspa. That was a pullback you nailed. I remember that, Piper. You nailed that Caspa pullback, man. That was like the last chance people had to buy Caspa. I remember seeing that, man. That was a great call. That was a great call. Where the heck's Caspa on my chart? This one here. See, we have our levels too, but you called this one here. Right here. Banging on them. 11 cents. 11.2, right? That was the one. You called that banging perfect. That was sick, man. That was sick. See? Traders helping traders, man. Love you, Piper. That was awesome, man. That was awesome. So, what do we expect here? What do we expect here? Well, I can expect a couple of things coming through this market right now. I can expect a cool down from the weekend volatility. We're going to draw the trend line here where we can look for this ascending triangle. So coming back and retesting down here would be nice, right? We can pull a simple fibs from the swing low to the swing high here and look at the golden pocket, how it matches up. So we can do some levels that way. We can add a box here where we can look for price to come back to this area as well. And let's see if it matches up with any confluence here. We can pull that. Okay, we got a point of control. So we'll lower it down to the point of control here. And we look for a bounce off of there. So that's a very key level. Make sure you have that marked out on your chart, 36.5, okay? Very, very simple. We know there's two key levels here. If we lose that area, then we're coming back down to this area here, right? Still have that idea. Know that we do have this big trend line in the middle here that has been holding us up. So you can add that confluence to your trading as well, okay? So there's a whole bunch of ideas going on here. However, the best thing, in my opinion right now, is to be patient, let trades come to you, practice that good risk management, and a healthy mindset, right? The FOMO is real, right? The FOMO is real, and they want that. They want that from us. They want us to be retail traders, and they want to come, and they want to take our money, so we got to be better than them. We got to be better than them. So together we can cumulatively grow our mindset and our risk management and our setups so that we can extract profits from these whales, right? We're just going to get in, little minnow man, little Nemo coming in, pop, 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 give me my money, and peace, okay? So We want to set ourselves up for success, man. I'm in a great mood this morning. I hope you guys are in a great mood, man. Happy Turkey Day, man. I love seeing everybody so thankful and grateful. I don't like saying thankful. Isn't thankful a weird mouthful? I think grateful is the way to be. Okay? So, with this range, we have some levels. We can see on the 12-hour, money flow is coming out. However, we are seeing a turn up recently. But on the 12-hour, we can see this decline on money flow. So this is looking for me that money is coming out. Bulls are getting a little bit exhausted. We could see a little bit of a cool off. Now, we saw this, but then we go over to the daily and we can see this parabolic run. So we get mixed signals. However, the daily does have a bearish divergence with higher highs and lower lows. But the money flow definitely does counter that. And you can see the VWAP crossover has pushed us up quite dramatically. So flipping through here, mixed messages. We know we're at all-time highs. We just put in the new highs for Bitcoin this year. So that is amazing to see for the Bitcoin price, okay? Amazing to see. Now, in the nitty-gritty, let's go to the 4-hour. Our favorite little 4-hour. First, the 6-hour, we got the trigger wave down here. 6-hour trigger wave pushed us up, okay? How do we front run this? Well, we look for the confirmation of the green dot on the 4-hour and the 3-hour and the 2-hour, right? So we know this is a key area. We can see that we're trending upwards here. A little bit of exhaustion. The bulls have pushed us up during the Turkey Day. Very interesting to see. Fried turkey, let's go. Dave Digital in the house. What's going on? Much love to you, Dave Digital, man. Thank you for dropping by. DD in the house. Smash that like button, guys. Let's get those likes up. We got 20 viewers in here and only 11 likes, and we are throwing up the fire today, man. We are thankful and grateful for every single one of you guys here on the live. Thank you so much for being here. Much love to every single one of you. Let's go. I mean, I'm going to have to clean this microphone after this stream, man. We having fun here. So the 4-hour the 4-hour is rocketing to the next dimension. Look at the money flow on this thing. Yeehaw, man. Giddy up, cowboy. My God. This is so good. So we can see it's shooting up to the stars, man. Don't fight the trend. The trend is your friend until the end. So be careful, guys. Be careful, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's dump this price down. Let's go back down to 20K so we can all buy some more. Because I know you're feeling the FOMO. Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots. All right. So the 4-hour cooling off, coming up to the tops. Swing failure pattern up to the top. And we can prepare for some downwards movement. We got this key level here. And we have a lot of key levels. Wow, look at all the levels you got, Alex O'Crypto. Well, this is my scalping levels, okay? So we broke through here, 4-hour trigger wave to the upside, coming up. Now you can see on the short-term time frames here, as we get into 3-hour, the 2-hour, we can see the exhaustion wicks. We can see the somewhat of divergences here, where we can see the price is getting higher, but the waves are going to want to get lower. Okay, so looking at this, massive momentum. We want to see this cool off and come back down. However, we do have very key support. That key support is right around 37,400, okay? So make sure to mark that out. 37,400. These red lines are more significant. You can see here, so that box we just drew with the upwards trend line here, we got it right here. So this is where, if price does fall, we look for 36.5 in the short-term time frames. Right now, I'm sitting on my hands. I'm not trying to trade this right away. I was looking for a short up here, but I'm trying to be more safe today, so I want to be sitting on my hands and waiting for confirmation signals to where I could possibly look for a short. However, with this momentum, you can simply go into the 30-minute or the 15-minute. I like to draw my momentum mostly on the 15. So we go into the 15. We make this vertical, okay? We just get into this main screen here. We make this vertical. We get our trend line. We draw from the low all the way to the high, okay, like this, and we look for price to come back and retest, okay? So retest, retest, retest. So until this is broken and retesting, that's when we want to short, okay? That's when we want to short. So you can simply draw this trend line. Now you can make it a bit wider, and you can look for confirmations. This looks like a lot of exhaustion, man. A lot of exhaustion. However, we had this move overnight while everybody is in their food coma, of course. Now we're flagging out, okay? We're flagging out. Could this continue to the upside? Very, very possible, okay? And that's without any indicators, okay? With other indicators, we can see very much overbought on market cipher over here. On chart prime, we can also see that we're getting overbought signals with the bearish divergences pushing us down. So there's many signals saying, hey, you're at a key level of resistance. You've waked up. You've grabbed liquidity. You could be heading downwards, right? So we want to see this upwards trend line broken, where we can look for a confirmation, where we can look to run a short down. However, with this short, if we're looking to short from anywhere along this trend line, remember, we have key level of resistance below us, right? So is this a profitable trade? Is this healthy? You got to protect yourself above this wick. To me, this is a no-go, right? And the trend is so violent to the upside that we need to make sure. Okay, so what would be a good idea? I think if we break this trend line and we start heading down, that could be a possible trade setup there, okay? Because we know how significant this 37,400 is. Or we can look for a swing failure pattern back up here, and we can pull a fib from the top to the bottom here, wherever we get to, however low we get to, right? And we can look for the pop back up, get everybody and their brother and their sister and their mother and their daughter and their turkey bullish, look for the retracement around the 786 / golden pocket, where we can look for confirmations of a bearish divergence on the oscillators, okay? So these are kind of what I'm thinking this weekend. However, I'm expecting slow chop trickle downwards over the weekend until Sunday, and then, you know, Sunday's fun day, and we might get a pump. So we are very, very cautious of what's going to happen right now. To me, no trade, just going to wait and see what transpires over the next couple hours with the stock market opening up in less than 25 minutes, okay? 5-second chart is bullish as fuck. Going over to the 5-second chart, we can see that the price is absolutely dumping. We are getting a big, huge fair value gap. Oh, let's fair value gap this thing, man. This is looking so good. We can see that we have some swing failure patterns areas here. We got some fair value gaps where we're looking to... Okay, come on. Come on. Get off the 5-second chart, man. Oh, man. AOC, the chart prime shows what kind of indicator is that? Well, it's a new gifted, awesome, super duper powerful indicator that we have been gifted by the kind crew at Chart Prime and Army Piper for us to take a look at. I've been back testing it and looking at all the different levels and setups, and I like this one. This one's the swing failure, or the swing trading areas, which is very good. So I've been back testing these. Before I bring them to you guys, I'm going to back test the living crap out of these. I've watched all the videos twice, okay? I've set up all the settings and all this, you know, all these things. However, I want to make sure that I am using it correctly, so I will double check with Piper. I'm on their stream on Monday. I believe it's 9 o'clock you guys go live. Piper's probably in his live stream right now. Let me see. Yeah, so Monday I will be on Piper's live stream, giving them, you know, the Otter Gang magic, which is what it's all about, right? What it's all about. Army Piper, right? The Otter Gang magic. Piper Academy, sorry. It's Piper Academy, so we will be there on Piper Academy on the live Monday morning. And 9 So they stream at 9:30. We will be going live on their live stream at 9:30 in the morning on Monday. I've been invited by them. Much love to these guys. Givers gain. This is what it's all about. So we'll be going on the Piper Show. I don't know what he calls. I think it's called the Army Alumni. So the Otter Gang will go and infiltrate the Army Piper live stream Monday. So I hope you guys all come and support me over there. I'm going to be nervous as hell, and I'm probably going to be happy-go-lucky just as I normally am. So I'm try to give them some of our TA and our ideas, okay? That's kind of the plan for Monday. And then Tuesday, we're going to go on Billy Goat Tales. Crypto Billy was kind enough to invite me Tuesday to speak on community. So, I mean, we're just blessed. We're too blessed to be stressed, man. Do you think ICP is a good long-term hold? Okay. Well, I see a lot of people believe in ICP. I personally don't hold ICP. I'm a very boring investor. I'm like ADA, Link, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Avalanche, and Cardano. That's me, man. But we can look at ICP for sure. Crimson Caravan Company, ancient astronaut theorists. Get down. Stop whining. Crimson Caravan Company. CCC in the place to be, not XXX in the place you don't want to be. Behave yourself. I'm pouring myself some more coffee. I bring a whole flask, a whole thermal mug to keep my coffee hot so I can just keep refilling my mug. We're going to have to get an otter for the mug. We got one for the microphone. This is a iron-on patch, this beautiful otter. Don't ask how the otter started. I can't. There's an origin story in the Discord somewhere. Join us in the free Discord. Link is in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps us get this out to more people. Okay, so Bitcoin. Getting everybody bullish on the turkey morning when everybody's feeling the tryptophan. So we have some key levels. We are making higher highs. It is looking bullish. However, we have the weekend volume. So we can expect a little bit of volatility coming in. But remember, we expect to cool down by the end of the day. We are making higher highs. We'll wait for a break of structure. The bearish thing I would be looking for was a break of this low over here, okay? This 36,800 area, so that and then a retrace back up to 37.4. What do I mean by that? I mean this. So we can see that we've moved up here. So we look for this to put in a lower low, okay? And then retest, and then continue back down to this point of control, okay? This would be my idea. And then Moon Boy, okay? And then Moon Boy, okay? Swing failure pattern here. So be careful for the wicks down below, okay? Wicks down below. So that's kind of what I would like to see for Bitcoin over the weekend. It's the trickling down. Boring, but beautiful, because we want to see good market structure for a continuation to the upside, baby, to the upside. So we'll watch this momentum or practice good risk management, and we'll hopefully extract some profits from this. Okay? So, Ethereum whales on buying spree as 200 largest wallets hold 125 billion. While the optimism is returning to the cryptocurrency market demonstrated by price advances on many digital assets, it seems that Ethereum has been recording increased interest from its whales, okay? So we got some whales buying, baby. Whales are in the house, okay? Shout out to all you sharks, minnows, and tuna fishes out there. Whatever you call yourself. I'm more of like a gefilte fish, you know? A gefilte fish. What was that off of Rush Hour? Gefilte fish. Too much fun this morning, I'm telling you guys, man. So we got people buying Ethereum. What the heck's going on with Ethereum, okay? I ain't the whale, but I bought some Ethereum at some $1,600 levels. So we can see we have broken out of this flag, okay? We've been looking at this flag for quite a long time, okay? Quite a long time. So, trending downwards, breaking out over top of the point of control, retesting the point of control, okay? Retesting it. We love to see the retest. Okay, so we can see the retest here. Okay, off prep my start. Holla later, folks. Stop by and say hello. Hey, we'll be there, Piper. We always come by and say hello on your stream. Much love to you, Piper. And we smash the heck out of your like button, man. We be slapping that like button. Because AOC slaps. And if you don't believe me, look at our indicators tap late. The AOC slap. Mrs. Otter's in the house. You going to come say hello? They know your face. Come on. They're also sub to your channel.
Thank you.
She says thank you. Mrs. Otter's in the house. What's up? You're going for a walk. And you're going to call your mama. In England. In jolly good England.
Yeah.
Do you want the hat? Do you want to wear the hat?
No.
You want to wear the hat on the walk? She does. You do. You should wear this around town.
Yeah?
Yeah? And be like, hello, mate. And you could actually be British, you know? You wouldn't.
I could actually be British.
Yeah, because you are British. She's like, I could actually be British. I could be British too. I am a quarter British. Me nan's British. All right. Bloody hell. Have a safe walk, missus. I love you. Ciao. All right, that was Mrs. Otter in the house. The British beauty. The British beauty. Okay. Where have we gotten to? Okay. Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum, 15 minutes till we got market open. Beautiful push up, popping off 2,100. My God, this is awesome. Okay, so Ethereum's looking to continue its way up. Okay, continue its way up. Maybe it's leading the way here for the Bitcoin price action. 18 in the room, 14 likes. Let's get it going. Don't make me put on the sheriff's hat because we got that one too. So Ethereum looking to push up here. Continuation, looking bullish. Oh, are we going to push up from this? No. So maybe Ethereum is leading the way here with all these whales buying up Ethereum. Jonathan Schaefer, he's dropping the deuces. Deuces. Is the market dumping? Okay. So Ethereum looking to push up. We have some resistance at 2163 and then 2350. So we got two areas of resistance above us here. But Ethereum has slowly been trekking its way up here. So we would like to see it push up and flip this to support and then maybe put some price action within this range and then continue to climb this ladder on the way up. Okay, so don't be chucking any deuces because we want to see the price go up, okay? And what can we see here with Ethereum? Now, I've been saying this, and I've been bullish on Ethereum because it hasn't had the move that the others have, okay? So the others have all popped off extremely violently, okay? And look at this. We got a beautiful ascending triangle to the upside where we can see that Ethereum has curled its way up, and we're looking for that parabolic push, okay? Could we get it here? We'll have to wait and see. We could have a little bit of a cool down and then continue upwards. But right now, this is looking quite nice in my opinion, okay? Also, you can see that once we get above this level, it's pretty much game time up to higher prices, okay? Up to higher prices. And you can see if you pull the volume of this entire range, you can see there's not a lot of volume above us, okay? Not a lot of volume. Not a lot of. You can pull it from here to here, and you can see there is some spikes. There is some spikes that match up quite nicely with our key levels of resistance. However, not a heck of a lot, man. Not a heck of a lot, and you can see support and resistance. If we get above 23,000, we could be looking all the way up to the value area high around $3,000. Okay, so that would be parabolic. However, anything's possible. So right now, we're looking to get above 2164 in the short-term time frames. where Ethereum has had a nice move up, where you can see, even though we broke this momentum to the downside, we have crawled back up and we are putting in higher highs, okay? Very nice move for Ethereum. Very, very nice, okay? Going to XRP, cup and handle. I was made aware of this, so thank you. I believe it was Pollo. Cup and handle on the 1 and 2 day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody, everyone. Okay, so I know you guys finished that for me. Oh my God. Can you draw it any better? There, draw it like this. Wait. It's got to be horizontal. Hold up. I'm going to get it. I'm looking. That's the pattern, guys. Can you see it? It's disappearing. It's disappearing. Boom, 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 boom. See you later. See you later, bro. Wow. So, I bet you lifers all over this one, baby. Crypto lifer, Sammy Cup and Handy. Okay. Massive. Nice retrace too. Nice retrace as well. A little bit of a push up. This is a nice, beautiful flag. You can see it flagging out so nicely here. That would be, even if you're just doing the flag, man, that's just a beautiful move to the upside, right? Not a pattern trader, but you got to be blind if you don't see that, right? You got to be blind. And you know everybody else is looking at that. However, remember, look at the XRP news and the rejection you got, right? The XRP news and that rejection. Oh, no. Sam lost his mom the other day. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Oh, no. God bless you, lifer. I hope you're okay, man. Lots of prayers coming your way, man. Lots of prayers coming your way, bro. Fuck me. Oh, man. Guys, if you're not subscribed to Crypto Lifer, go over and subscribe to Crypto Lifer. Not because of, it's not out of, pity. The guy delivers so much love. Sometimes it's overwhelming. Like, for me, I love what he has to say. I think he helps a lot of people. Go over and send some love to Crypto Lifer, man. Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. I don't know what I would do. I got a single mother my whole life, right? So like for me, that's my God. That sucks, man. That sucks. Make sure to go and support people, people helping people, He helps a lot of people. Great community, lifers over there. Ooh. Okay. Well, that's upsetting. Sammy, cup in handy to the upside. My prayers are with him and his family. God bless you, lifer. Stay strong, man. Stay strong. Stay strong. Stay strong. Never like to see anything like that. That's hard. I believe he lost his dad not too long ago either, so double whammy. Double whammy. Got to keep trucking, man. Keep trucking. Keep your head up, soldier. Stiffen that upper lip. Eminem. So going over to Bitcoin price action here. We have the XRP move to the upside. Okay, we went over that. Okay, I didn't go give you my targets. I'm sorry about that. I didn't give you my targets here for XRP. So XRP, cup and handle to the upside, measure move coming up. So if you need your targets, here are your targets. We've done a lot of TA on the altcoins. If you haven't, and there's a coin you're looking for me to do, message me in the Discord, comment on one of the videos, and ask if I can do that coin for you. I've gone through. I'm doing, what is next? I got Doge. I'm doing next. I've done IMX. I've done Rune. I got Doge and Atom. I've done Gala. I've done Optimism recently. Just made an Optimism video. So I'm doing all those coins. I can do DOT. I can add DOT to the list. We have TA on all these, where we think pullbacks can come if we're looking to dollar cost average on any single one of these. I've made tons of videos. I've done XRP. Just came out recently, actually, where we're looking for pullback levels. Okay, so with XRP, if we do push up, right now we want to see it hold these key levels. The key level to hold is 52 cents. Okay, 52 cents is very, very key for this to hold. And then for the move up, if we continue to come down here, the move up, we're looking for 83 cents and higher. Okay, but we need to get above the 76-cent area. Okay, that's the key, in my opinion, where we can look for price to continue its way upwards. Okay. ICP. Okay, I'll do ICP in the place to be. ICP. I have it in here, but we'll add ICP to the list. It should be on my list. It is on my list, but I don't know where it is on my list. So let's re-add it and then drag it into the nether regions so that we have it up top, at the top here with Caspa. ICP. We've done some ICP TA. However, we're going to do a video on it for you, my friend. No problemo. No problemo. No problemo. Nice move. Higher highs. Change of market structure. It's good to see. So far, good to see. But I will do a more in-depth, quick 5-minute video, man, just so you know what levels I'm looking at, where you think the project can go. You drew, look at this. We drew this so long ago, and look at this. This is what I'm talking about by setting those limit orders. You set the limit order for a buy at a key level of support. Look at that. Comes back, wicks down, you grab it, and it rides all the way up, and you make big gains. You make big gains, right? That's what I'm talking about here. So just trying to help you guys find those levels and be profitable. Okay? I'll definitely do ICP for you. I'll have that coming out for you in the next couple days, my friend. I'll be uploading that. Thank you so much for being here. Would take a look at Mov R or Mover? We'll have to take a look at Mover. Let's go to Bybit. Whew. It likes to move it, move it. It likes to move it, do. Wow. Wow, rug pull. Oh, man. So you're all the way up at 70. KuCoin? KuCoin? Binance? KuCoin? Let's go KuCoin. There we go. KuCoin has the data. Look at that. See KuCoin? My God. My God. How could you do this to me? How could you do... I thought we were friends, man. I mean, rug pull, right? Rug pull. Breaking out. Something like that. Breaking out. Pull the volume. I mean, that's a big move, 128%. So You're coming up to a key level of resistance, point of control. Very nice to see. It came up here. It got rejected, okay? It got rejected at $8.27. However, if you believe in this project, you just draw a simple momentum wave like that. You look for these levels on the left, key levels of support and resistance. Add them to your charts. And key levels to get above, right? And you go through, you add them, and you get those potatoes. Failure to get above this, back down. Okay, so, sheesh. I wouldn't call that a rug pull. I'd call that entering the market at the wrong time. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Okay. So you got this uptrend. You got some key levels of support below you, right? Add these to your charts. Know that you can possibly get a dip down. However, you are making higher lows, which is nice to see. We look for the continuation to the upside, right? Your key level to get above is this $8, and we'll lower this down to the previous wick, 27 cents. Where you look for a continuation. If you want to get more into the nitty gritty, you can pull a fib from the swing low to the swing high here. Yeah, and I'd be looking around this area for a possible buy, okay? Not financial advice, but a possible buy. But you want to be looking for the pullbacks, right? You want to be pulling those fibs, looking for where price can come back for a continuation to the upside, okay? Very, very cautious, okay? Hope that helps. At those levels, look for reactions on price. Look for a continuation upwards. If you do believe in the project and you have done your own research and you want to find better entries, that's the way to go about it. However, if you're trading this, very wicky, so be very, very careful. But grabbing a nice long on this could be prosperous, right? However, you are breaking key levels of support right now. You can see that. So look for the trail down and the pop off of continuation. You can get local here. You can pull from the move up all the way across here, and you can match that up as well with key levels as well and volume. So your big volume node is actually up here, around $6.43. Okay, a little bit below that, $6.40. Big volume node. So look for it to continue its way upwards. However, let's go over to the S&P 500. We're getting a half day today. All the people trading the stock market, turkeyitis. They all got the turkeyitis. We've gapped up yet again. This morning we haven't gapped up, or have we? Yeah, we've gapped up, chopping sideways. We're filling up. This is a previous gap. We are filling it, right? This beautiful gap. We love a beautiful gap in this channel. So we're filling that. S&P is making highs, man. It's making highs. However, if we do get a cool off, there's a lot of areas here that we're looking to fill, especially this one below us where we gapped so heavily that one beautiful weekend. So S&P is pretty flat right now. The crypto market is looking healthy. Bitcoin, not much of a reaction. It is bouncing around this beautiful uptrend momentum trend line here. Look at this. Look at how well it's been respected, okay? Look at how well it's been respected. That could have been your long entry right there. So I'm going to be patient here. I'm sitting on my hands. I'm going to go over and check out Piper. And let's go over and raid Piper on our live. I don't know how to raid, so we're just going to go over and drop tons and tons of otters in his chat. Let's go and do that now, my friends. So here's the link. I'll shove the link in the chat. And if we can all go over and just throw in tons and tons of otters and just spam the living crap out of it, that would be awesome. That would be awesome. Let's go over and let's just bomb them, guys. Let's bomb them. Let's bomb them. Let's bomb them, guys. Let's bomb them with the otters. Let's get them. Let's get him. Get him, guys. Get him. Get him. Toaster's doing it. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Smash that like button, guys. Let's go. Let's get him. It's in the YouTube dashboard. I'm looking at the dashboard. How do we rate them? How do we rate them? Add stream. Stream maker. Share. Should be button somewhere says raid live streams. I can't find it. Is it on Streamlabs? Is it on Streamlabs? Stream settings? Stream settings. Stream key. I just like the otters, man. We just stream URL, stream settings, stream health. It's not in there, guys. Be patient, Alex. We can do this. You guys. I don't know how to do it. Engage with your audience, add reaction. It's nowhere to be seen, guys. Log into YouTube Studio, go to settings, click on community under live. Log into YouTube Studio, settings, click on community under live redirects. Okay, YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio. Live. Okay. Live stream. More actions. No. Edit. No. Manage. Live stream. YouTube Studio. Go to settings. You guys are making this hard on me. I can't figure it out, man. Log to YouTube Studios, go to settings, on community under live redirects. I gotta figure this out. I gotta sit down with you, Schaefer, and do some Streamlabs setups, some new music. Do it on screen, fool. YouTube Studio. Okay. YouTube Studio. Log in to YouTube Studio. Go to settings. Click on community. Settings. Community. Yeah. Live redirects. Specific channels can redirect. So Piper Academy. Like that. Okay. Save. I've done that. Okay. Piper Academy. Enter specific channels you want to allow. Once you save, you're done. Click save. Okay. So now what? Okay. Now how do we redirect it? How do we redirect? You guys are killing me. I saved it. I saved it. That's it. That's it? How do we raid this guy then? And then what do we do after that? Once you're in live control room, follow the steps. Click edit. Once you're in live control room, follow the steps. This is so much fun. We're such a boomer. I love it. All right. So live control room. Follow the steps. Click edit, select customization under redirect. Click add. Oh God. Click edit, select customization. Edit. Customization. Customization. Under redirect. Where's redirect? Reactions, message of the day. Where's redirect, guys? Customization. It's not there. Click edit, select. Yes, edit. Maybe it's because I just changed it. Refresh his live. Refresh his live. Guys, 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 we ain't getting anywhere. We ain't getting anywhere. I'll have to watch some more YouTube videos. I'm too concerned about setting you guys up with good trade setup. Sorry. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate you. I know sometimes I'm not the brightest tech guy here. I know that. I'm very aware of that. I'm very aware of that. However, how to raid stream, yes. We'll have to Google it. So we're getting about bounce off of our trend line now. It's 9:43, man. We're going late here. So we're going to wrap it up. First of all, it's Friday. So thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you guys for your support. We've given the trade setups. We will be in the Discord. We will be here if you have any questions, helping you guys stay profitable. That's what it's all about. Now, sometimes we can come to you from Lunar Beach's crypto here. I got you. I got you. Sometimes we can be at Schaefer's office. But most of the time, we are just utterly fantastic. But without further ado, I'd like to say, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. You guys are fucking awesome. I don't care about my French. Don't mind me. But have a wonderful rest of your weekend. I will be here. Have no fear. Much love to every single one of you guys. God bless you guys. Happy belated Thanksgiving. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And I will see you guys soon. Much love. Peace out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.